I don't think y'all heard me. We finna put MSD two-step on a Crown Vic.
Oh yeah, bitches are lit.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy AJ, and we back with another video. No cap. So look, in today's video, we got us a banger. We got us a banger, like literally a banger. Y'all gonna see. So in today's video, I'm just now leaving AutoZone, and we gonna do a little, you know what I'm saying? We gonna do a little upgrade. You know what I'm saying? Little upgrade. So I got the part that's I'm finna put on back in the house. We finna be installing a MSD two-step on this Crown Vic, bro. We finna put a MSD two-step on the Crown Vic. Did y'all hear me? I don't think y'all heard me. We finna put a MSD two-step on a Crown Vic. And y'all already know what I be doing with this car. So y'all know it's finna go crazy. No cap. Like, imagine this whole shooting flames, bro. Wow.
Man, shut your...
Just imagine this car spin flames, bro. So we finna head back to the house. We already got everything we need to change the spark plugs. The part already at the house. So hopefully this spark plugs here with this startup and this little misfire I've been having. It's not bad, but it just, I don't like it. So first step, I ain't changed the spark plug really since I bought this car about 8 years ago. You heard me, about 8 years ago. That's the last time I changed the spark plugs. They said 5 of those years. And this year I've been driving. Well, it ain't even been a year since I've been driving it. And plus the 2 or 3 years before that. When I first bought it, I changed spark plugs, but since then, I ain't changed them. So we don't know what these spark plugs look like in this motor. So we got the spark plugs. The MSD2 is at the house, and we finna go ahead, head back to the house, and we finna show y'all what we finna get into today. No cap. All right, y'all, so we made it back to the house. We're finna go ahead and unplug these if I can. Oh, Lord. I don't know how to take these off. I'm probably gonna have to use a little feet. W4, they made this easy. So I'm finna go ahead, loosen up all those with my door locks. I'm finna pull all of the coil packs out of here. Now, I don't know if this is the right size or not, but I got a 7 and it get the job done. So I think they might be a 6 or a 6.5, honestly, but I got a 7. And sometimes you just gotta get a good grip on it and they'll all spin out. But I'm gonna go ahead and loosen all these up, and then I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I pull those out, because I need to let these cool down enough so, you know, I can put the MSD on, change the spark plugs, and see how everything looking. But I do think you gotta take that side off, this intake tube, and then you should be able to get to those two to pull them out. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I'm done. All right, y'all, so since this like this 8 cylinder, 2 more, that's 6. Shit, out of the 5 or the 6 I done took out, this didn't happen. You know, the boot thing got stuck in here. So I'm finna show y'all real quick how you can get that out. I just got these. They ain't this long, I promise. They about this long. So I go in here with this. I tried to use needle noses on the first one, and it broke it. But you just grab it to it and it come up out of there. So just wanted to show y'all that real quick for an example. I'm not gonna have to try to dig down there and get it. Hopefully I don't burn myself. Just grab this piece. You'll see you got this little flat edge. Well, you see it's flat on this edge, and then you got part right here. This won't focus for nothing. This part right here, you just stick that through that loop. Stick this through there. And then push it back in. Like this. And take this. I've been taking these screws, sticking them in the hole so I don't lose them. Now I got 2 more, but I'm still scared of that. It's one of these cylinders. It's either this one or that one. I think the spark plug stuck in it, but we're gonna try to see if we can get it out today. So let me go ahead. I guess this cylinder 5 will have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't get how that cylinder 5, or no, that might be the number of the bolt. Yeah, it is. Because it got numbers all right there, so that's just the number of the bolt. So yeah, let me go ahead and take the rest of these 2 off. I just been taking this. See, I got the intake tube off. I just been going here and loosening them and then pulling them out. So pretty sure if you look at the motor, you can probably get to this point by yourself. But yeah, I just been taking these off, and when I get these last 2 off, I'll cut the camera back on. All right, y'all. So as y'all see, I got them all off. And if you look at this spark plug hole, you can see there. But if you look at these, I'm starting to look at it now. It might not that it's stuck in there. It just got all this dirt that won't let the spark plug sit down there, because I blew this one out just a tad bit and I was able to see the bottom of it. But look how dirty that is. So the spark plug might not actually be stuck in here. I might just gotta try to find some type of way to get that dirt up out of there. I'm probably finna try to find a straw. Yeah, that might work. I'm gonna try to find a straw, stick it down in there, and try to blow that dirt up out of there. I think the ones on this side was all good. This one got that thing right there, but see, that one straight. That one got a little in it. That one straight. What about this back one? It's gonna be the one that's hard to get to. Let me see. Can I pull this off? Oh, okay. I can pull that off. Let's see about this one back here. And that one good. So I just gotta try to clean the ones on the driver's side. And I should be good. So let me try to find a straw or something, or something long enough to stick in there and blow it out, because I don't think I got no straws in here. Might have to try to house. It gotta be one somewhere. You know, black folks, we always got some, so there's gotta be a straw somewhere. So let me try to find a straw and then blow all that out, and I'll be right back. Literally, I ain't been literally 30 seconds and I found one. Told y'all, black folks keep everything. So we're just gonna try to see if we can blow this stuff up out of here. I should close my eyes first. See, I just gave it a blow, see if it make a little different. But you see how it looked down up in there? All right, y'all, so finally cleaned the dirt out, got one out, and if you look at it, like if you look at the spark plug, can't tell, I can't get it to focus. But you see how the top of that is bent? I wonder if that's bad. Like, I wonder if it's just me, if it's more gap than it's supposed to be. But we got one of them out. I'm finna see if I can find my gapper tool and gap them to where Marty told me to gap them to. So let me go ahead, get to that, try to find me a spark plug gapper, and then I'll be right back with y'all. What I tell y'all, black folks got everything. Now, what he told me to gap them to is 0.45 or 0.045. So let me go ahead and pop these up out of here. New fresh things. 45 it'd be, if this is 40, that'd be 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. All right, so this long line, I'm finna go ahead and gap it. So let me show y'all. All right, so let's see, we're gonna start at 20. See, cause this was kind of big, man. This is what, hold on, let me make sure I'm reading this right. The gap on this is what, 50, 54. Let's see. Alright, see, you push down on the top of this. With this, I mean, y'all probably just seen me do it, but you push down on the top of this with this, and then remember I told y'all 45 is this middle line right there, this big middle line. So we're gonna go across it. There we go, 45. I really can just go ahead and do eyeballs, so it's okay right here. Gonna drop him up in there. Go hand tighten first. Make sure it's getting up in there right. Out. It look like it's going in there right. Well, that's the first one. Oh, is it? Yeah. Down. Yeah. Tighten this thing up. Well, I already put it back together, but I'm gonna go to the store and give me a can of compressed air, and then basically take this back off just for those two, and then I'm gonna try to blow it out and see if I can get everything up at the hole. And once I do that, I can change those two spark plugs, because I was able to see the bottom of both of those, so I know they not stuck in the head. I just gotta clean it enough to get the socket down in there to screw it out. So now since I got all those back in, I'm finna go grab the MSD 2 kit or MSD 2-step kit, and now we're finna put everything on that. And so we're gonna try to figure that out and just stay along with this journey, because we almost there. We almost there. All right, y'all, so I'm doing something that I normally don't do. We just read these instructions, because this is one reason why I still haven't did this yet to this car. So from what I'm looking at, it looked like it's saying, okay, I got them all disconnected. Connect all 8 of the 2-pin, hold on. Connect all 8 of the 2-pin male connectors to the MSD harness into the factory coils. Or plug the 8-pin connector with the red wire. So if I'm assuming, that means all these go Going to the factory coils, and this is factory coils. This is that. Okay. Then it's a plug the 8-pin connector with a single red wire from the MSD 2-step connected with the black wires. Okay, so yes, the black ones. Turn the key into the on position and do not start the engine. Look at the LED on the 2-step. LED on, convert that wire, and you can move on. If not, the wiring is different application and needs to be changed. Turn the key off, plug the 8-pin connector with the 8 gray wires into the connector with the single red. Connect the 8-pin harness with the 10. Connect the I8. Okay, so I'm gonna go that route. And then this is what I was trying to figure out too. Just reading this, okay, I'm gonna be using the switch, so I gotta use the blue wire, say. This solid black one, just this one, go to a ground, because I'm looking at this switch right here. White, blue, black. Well, white and blue. I can't tell this. Oh, there you gotta look at it from this way. So, this solid black one is ground. And now when the beam connected to a switch, then ground. So switch the blue wire to ground to activate launch limit. All right, and this is what I gotta set it. So hopefully it be popping and banging. But if still not, then I can still be able to change it. So that's just a starting point. I might turn it down just to hear it do it the first time and then turn it back up, but I think I got it. So I'm finna go outside and then we finna go ahead and start us in the car. One good look. All right, y'all, so I already kind of got this somewhat lined up. So wires go from this side, they split back to this side. Then I ran it from here on the back side under the brake pedal reservoir, whatever this called, brake booster. And then I got the 2 wires right here. Probably gonna mount it to the bottom side of this. I'll probably use this bolt right here for the ground. So let me go ahead. All right, so it say connect the ones from the ones to the coils. I think. Let me go read the paper again. But I think you're supposed to plug these into the coil. That's all up. Let me go read the paper again and say, do I plug it into the harness or to the coils first? Hold on. single black one to it. Into the red. Okay. Single black one to the red. Single black one into the red. Now let me see what it says. I need to plug this one back into there. If it came off. Now after I plug the single one into all the black ones, I think it's saying for plug the A connector. Wait, I can't see camera. Plug the 8-pin connector with the single red wire into the 2-step connector with the black wire. Okay. Now I say I should turn the key on and the activation light should come on. Let's see. Let's pray. Let's pray. No! Oh my goodness. All right. So that's a no. So the lights on. Okay, the light off. The wiring is different for this application. Needs to be changed. Turn the key off and plug the 8-pin connector with the 8 wires into the connector with. Okay, so you want me to change the wires around? Come on now. Y'all pray. Y'all pray. Y'all pray. Y'all pray. All right, so I'm gonna look at this one. So disconnected. The 8 wires. Okay. Now when I turn the key on this time, the light should be on. So grab the key. Let's see if the light on. Bro, why is the light not on? Am I missing something? Oh, duh. Maybe I'm stupid. Let me find, what size do that look like? I'm gonna say 10. It won't start because it's not grounded. Duh. Stupid. Let's see. This is 10. Now I'm getting happy. Alright. Don't want it to. Alright, this is still connected. Alright, now let's pray. Let's pray. Oh, no, I won't, because it ain't connected yet. Alright, take this one. Boom. Connected into these group of groups. My bad. I'm gonna connect these into this color bar right here. Or color female harness. Now, let's pray. Reading instructions are very important, y'all. Even though I read them, I still got that wrong. So let's see. Alright, let's see. Bro. Alright, well, let me cut it back off and try the other side, because maybe it's the other side. See, that's why I was scared to get it. Because, bro, I'm telling you. Alright. this one. White wire. Now it's a little simple. These into these. This is my last option, bro. This is my last option. Let's see what's happening. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bitches lit. Bitches fucking lit. Alright, now that is bitches fucking lit. No, we gonna go viral. Okay. Turn the key and do not start. Look at the LED on confirm that this wiring is correct, and you can now move to step 6. Okay, so if this is connect all wire harness. Connect the 8-pin harness. That's why I'm doing it this way. Connect the 8-pin harness with the 10 wires and the commanding wires to the harness. Okay, I'm gonna cut this back off. And then connect the all 8 female pins to the MSD into the factory core. Okay. So now I can pull this one. Sorry, y'all. Okay. So I plug this one into that one. I'm trying to see how I can. So this one I connect those. I can plug all of these into the harness. Oh, that's wrong. Probably about to be built. Wait, look at this one. Alright, so I see that I probably just gonna have to get a new one of these because both of these on here broke, so that sucks. But oh well. I think it just held on by that and that. Now I could just go get some more. So that's cool, I guess. So we finna see, before we cut this wire down, we wanna see what's what. So we finna go ahead, connect this side to this side. Just to see what it do. This is how I cut my wires, because I don't got no wire strippers.
Brother,
Alright. Gotta connect it to the switch. Now let me see. With the power on and running, activate the on and off switch. I'll connect the LED. Will illuminate to verify. Okay, with power on, engine running, activate the clutch or on and off switch. If connected correctly, the LED will illuminate when clutch is activated. To verify RPM set. To verify RPM, set the RPM lower such as 3,000 and test it. Okay, so let me see. I can't start with no intake. I'm tripping. This thing got vacuum leaks all over it. I'm tripping, boy. I am tripping. See, that's what happens when you get too happy. Alright, boom, 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 boom. Okay, we're gonna connect this back into here. Okay, then we're gonna have this one right here. Spin this back into there. Boy, I ain't do nothing. Straight started the modem. Connect him back up top. Alright, I think that's everything. I think that's all. That's all the brake lines. I'm just gonna, stick them line again. Where did this one go? Where did this one go? Did I drop it? I could have sworn I remember seeing it. Fuck. Oh. There we go. Boom, boom. I'm too excited, bro. Too excited. As you see, the sun is going down. My phone went dead. So I waited for this reaction for y'all, bro, to see how this song sound. I literally waited on YouTube to get my first reaction. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna turn this down just to make sure it's working. You feel me? Alright, y'all. So I turned it down for y'all. So as y'all see, it's 3900, which I know I can hit that, but I stopped this just for y'all, bro. Just for y'all. Just so y'all get my first reaction. Light on. Light is on. I'm finna flip the switch and see if it make a difference. Is it a different color or anything? Okay, cut it off. You see? Let me see. Back on, alright. We're gonna see if this works. Let me turn the camera around. We're gonna see if this works. Bro, this shit working. Oh, this shit works. It's fucking lit. Bro, this fucking work, man. my car rev up there, huh? Let's see what's outside. The first one is up there, so let me turn down the phone. See what it do. Turn this down. Turn it down. I said 45. Let me check the footage real quick. Bro, get out your face. Y'all ain't ready for what I'm finna do now. They is not ready for what's up my sleeve. No cap. Bro, I gotta cramp fit this shoe flames, bro. I still gotta change these two. But still, bro, my Crown Vic shoe fucking flames. Do you know how hard that's finna be, bro? Do you know how hard that's finna be? It's already hard. But while I'm sliding that hole and I roll back, hit the gas in this motherfucker, hit the brrr, pop, pop, pop. Bro, it's fucking lit. Oh, 2020. Oh. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next, because y'all ain't been telling me nothing. And I just been coming with these bangers, getting these low views. Bro, share this. Go crazy. Share this video. Share this video, bro. Because I'm telling you, I'm finna go crazy, bro. It's finna get crazy. No cap. Look. Like, bro, I know I said it was gonna be the end of the video, but gang, like, listen. Like, fam, what the fuck? I'm finna get in trouble. No cap. Like, gang, y'all don't know. That's only like 3,500. That's only 3,500, bro. And when y'all see these videos, you gonna be like, bro, you can just smell the gas. I love it. Nah, but yeah, though, that's just what I wanted to show y'all, cause